Hey guys, so if you want to integrate Discord with your N8N, so this is the perfect video. In this video, we will teach you how you can integrate your Discord, okay, with your N8N. So everything will be covered step by step. So make sure to follow this video from starting to end. So let's see how we can integrate it. So just go to your N8N, okay, and just go to credentials. Now from the top, you can click on this drop down arrow, click on create credentials, okay, and just search for Discord. Now there are plenty of ways you can do the authentication and you can connect Discord. The very popular and easy is Discord bot. Tap on it, click on continue. Now here you see Discord bot account. You can just go with anything, Discord bot, anything bot, okay, whatever it is. It will just going to ask you one simple thing, that is the bot token. Now the very first thing you need to know is that getting the bot token is very easy. But just before we proceed further, in case this is my Discord server, okay, which I created dummy one, okay, um, and I have also taught how you can even use Discord. So if you are totally new and don't know what it is, so you can just search for Kuku courses, go to this website kukucourses.com, click on courses, free courses, and you can just search for Discord and just search public, and you will see Discord public free course. Open this, it's a complete 1 hour duration course. You can simply click on start course button and watch this Discord course for absolutely free. Play it, and you can see this is a 1 hour course, and here we have taught each and everything about how to use Discord, how to set up Discord, each and everything, okay. So so whatever you see right now is already covered in this free course. So exactly you can watch this video in case you don't know what Discord is and how to set it up, okay. But when we talk about, let's say, connecting it, so first you need to have your server, okay, and for that you can watch my free course which I have just now shown. Then you can easily get the token key. Now you can just search for Discord for developers, okay, in any search engines. Go to this one, Discord for developers. You will see this get started button, okay. You can simply click on this, it will take you over here. After this, click on this new application. You can name it as a N8N. Agree the terms and condition, click on create. You can name it whatever you want as per the connection you want to build, just name it, okay. So for easy one, I am just going with N8N, and then it will say are you human, and then verify it, and it will take you to this place. Now here all you need to do is to just go to OAuth 2, okay, this option you see at the left. Now here, as we are going with the bot, so I will select the bot. Now see, you are using a bot to build the integration between your server which you have in the Discord, okay, and your N8N. So a bot will going to manage the automation. So you have to tell first of all here that you have selected bot. Now you have to tell or give the permission to your bot what you want to give the permissions to this bot. You can select it. Let's say you can go ahead and you can, let's say, select any of the action you want or give the permission to your bot, like sending the message, pin the message. But let's say if you want all these settings, so people generally use administrator, okay, to provide all the permission to the bot. I will enable this, and once you enable this, automatically you will see all will be selected because admin role is the topmost, okay. And once you do this, simply click on this generated or just go bottom. Here you will see generated URL. Simply copy this URL over here. Just okay, just copy this URL here, copy it, just open new tab, paste that URL here, okay, click on enter button, and it will tell you that this bot will going to connect with your Discord server. Now if you will see here, my server is name is Lunare over here, right? So if you see here, that is what I am giving the connection. So this is my bot and I am giving the you know uh, permission to connect to my Discord server. So you can say add to which server. So if you have multiple servers, you can select it. In my case, I have only one server. So I will select it and I will click on the continue button. And remember that N8N is the name of my bot. Why? Because here, if you will see here, let's go at the top. You can just go to general information and name of the bot is N8N. So it is saying that we are connecting this N8N bot to your Discord server. Just continue it, authorize, select I'm not a robot, and boom, it's done. Okay, so that's how easy it is. Now you can simply close this window. Now after this, you have to go to bot here, and once you do this, here you will see these three options: privileged, gateway, intense. Here you will see these three settings. Enable all of them like this. Okay, and after you have done this, okay, you can simply, let's say, click on save changes button. That's it. Okay, and after you will going to do this, so you can see this has been done. Now wait, uh, okay, just go to your bot here, and this has been done. Okay, and these are all the bot permissions you can see, which we have already done. Just make sure that you select this privilege gateway, and these three settings are important to enable, which I have already done. Okay, over here, right? All these three. Okay, after this, it's very simple. Anything is asking the bot token, so here you will going to get your token. You can see reset token. You can tap on it. You can click on yes, do it. It will ask for password. Select it, submit it, and you can see a new token has been generated. Now you can simply copy this. Make sure you don't share this with anyone else. If anyone will going to get this token key, so remember that this is the token or the bot token key. If someone will use it, so they will be able to access each and everything in your Discord server, and they can do whatever they want to, because we have given them all the permissions. Okay, so make sure don't share with anyone else. Just paste the token key which you have copied. That's it. Click on save button. Boom, you can see it's connected and connection is tested successfully. That's how you can integrate N8N with your Discord. Okay, and now you will going to automate your server within your N8N. Suppose I click on create workflow. Now if I click on this trigger button, let's say, click on trigger manually, click on plus button, and let's say you go to action in an app. Okay, let's just search for, let's say, Discord. Tap on it. Let's say I want to send a message. Automatically you can see this was the bot token which we have done, and now here you can see the server. So you can see my server is now enabled here, because in my case I only have one server, Lunare, which is mine. So it is showing me over here all the channels. If you will going to notice, here is showing all the channels: courses, store, library, tools, membership. So all of them I can see here: courses, store, library, tools, the same membership, and whatever automation you want to do, you can simply do that. So you can see we have successfully connected it. Also you can use it for as a trigger as well. So you can directly search for Discord, and you can even use it for trigger. Let's say I want to get a channel, so automatically the same bot is here. Now I can select my server, and you can see still it is visible. So that's how you can integrate, okay, your Discord with N8N very easily, and that is what we have shown you in this video. And one more thing which I want to tell you: if you just go to our website again, Kuku courses, just go to same website, make sure that we have the free Discord course which you can watch in case you want to learn about Discord. Also we have the free AI agent and automation course. You can just click on public, and you will be able to see all of the courses. Let's wait. Okay, wait. Let me just go to the home page, because that course should be here. You can see, just click on courses and you will see this AI agent and automation full course. So if you want to learn how to use N8N automation and all, so you can just simply click on the start course button, and you can see that this is a complete 3 hours free course. Okay, you can click on start course button and also learn AI agent and automation for absolutely free. So click on part 1 and start to learn it. Okay, if you are interested. Also, if you click on courses, we also have a popular and amazing courses like N8N paid course, awesome course. You can see here, it's a 17 hours course. You can see, you can just purchase it at the one time price, or through our membership you can even purchase it. Okay, so you can check in our website. And also one thing which I want to show, if you see here in the library, click on free library here, you will see this N8N credentials and integrations. Click on view, and here you will see other services we have integrated with N8N, all the tutorials. So let's say if you want to learn how to integrate N8N with Google services, OpenAI, Airtable, Slack, Telegram, anything, simply tap on that. So suppose if you want to integrate Google services with N8N, simply click on view button and it will show you the tutorial. This is the tutorial you can watch to integrate Google with N8N. Same you can see other as well, and maybe in future when you will visit again, there might be more tutorials that will be added. So make sure that you check all of them over here. Okay, so this is all I wanted to teach you for this particular guide, and hope you guys have understood how you can integrate Discord and N8N together. Also, I have created this Discord course, which you can just check on my website. Okay, I will also going to attach the link. You can simply go to kukucourses.com/courses/discord as well. So this course will going to cover each and everything about Discord. You can say it's a complete 6 hours course as well, and also how you can do the automation with AI agent and N8N. So that has also been included in this course, so you can check out this course as well.